Hello guys, welcome back in my kitchen. Today's video I am going to show you how to make the best teriyaki chicken. Remember guys, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe for more recipe. And if you enjoy the video, please give me a thumbs up. Guys, as you already know, I am here to bring you the best recipe. If you want to see how, please guys stay tuned. Let's get started. Here guys, as you already know, I always wash my chicken. Best recipe, I am removing extra skin and any residue, because you know we need our chicken to be nice and clean. After removing extra skin, we are going to add lemon juice and vinegar to wash it until it's nice and clean. Because guys, you know already, I never cook any kind of meat without washing it. And guys, comment down below, let me know if you do the same thing. If you always wash your chicken, because I always do guys. Keep your chicken clean before cooking. And then guys, I'm using a piece of napkin to remove extra moisture on my chicken. It's time to give it a nice seasoning. Here guys, I'm using some homemade seasoning, but that's okay if you don't have homemade seasoning. You can use other ingredient I'm just showing you. I'm just adding paprika, cayenne pepper. Guys, use all your ingredients to taste. I got some all-purpose seasoning, the Goya brand. I love using this. I'm using some garlic powder, creole seasoning. Remember guys, all the ingredients going to be in the description box below. If you want to give it a try, just check the description down below. And some salt. And finally, black pepper. After a quick mix, set it aside. But before that, cover it with a plastic bag, a clear plastic bag. Set it aside for at least 15 minutes before the next step. And then guys, now I am going to use some onion for sure. I'm just using just one side, because one side will be enough. That's why I'm just using one side. Removing the first skin. You know, onion, you should remove the first skin. And cut it. And do the same thing for the rest. When I'm done, I'm just transferring into a bowl. And now do the same thing for the sweet bell peppers. Yes, I'm using 2 sweet bell peppers. And then I'm using my garlic press to press some garlic. I got some fresh garlic. it fresh. So when you're done, we are going to move to the next step. Into a hot pan, guys, I'm using some oil. Make sure your oil is hot before adding your chicken. Don't add your chicken on a cold oil. Make sure the oil is hot. When one side is done, brown and gold, flip them over to do the same process for the other side. You see guys, how it looks so nice. And then we move them, transfer them into a bowl, and let's keep watching what's next. And then guys, I am using some butter. When it's nice and melted, I am going to start adding my minced garlic. When it's nice, after a quick mix, I am going to start adding my onions and bell peppers. When it's nice now, when it looks nice, we are going to add some chicken broth. It looks so nice and it looks so tender. And then now we are going to add the chicken broth, guys. So if you don't have chicken broth, guys, no worries, you can use any broth you have. But I have the chicken and I'm cooking chicken. I'm using some chicken broth. And then it's time to add the chicken. And then to put the teriyaki sauce on it. You can use as much as you want. Guys, this is the best and delicious recipe of teriyaki chicken. Guys, it's so good. It's so good. Guys, you better try this. Listen to this noise, guys. It sounds so good. Guys, remember, guys, you have to cook this. You have to try this, guys. When it's completely done, I am using some broccoli to enjoy my teriyaki chicken. Guys, this is so good. Guys, try this. If you are new, don't forget, guys, to subscribe to my channel. Remember, guys, all the ingredients going to be in the description box below. If you enjoyed the video, give your girls a thumbs up. Give your girl a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Guys, thank you for watching. And of course, come back to another video. And you can tell me, guys, you can just, tell me in the comment down below. Just tell me what else you want me to do. Bye bye, guys. See you to another video.